Hello everyone, let's see how to replace display or screen of an HP Pavilion notebook. Just whenever you are replacing the display, just remember that you need to remove the battery first. Without removing the battery, don't attempt to replace the screen. Open these two screw covers here. Take a safety pin and just pinch them and remove them. Here you can see this is the sticker which covered the screws. Remove the screws. Once again, cross check whether you removed battery as well as the power adapter, because whenever you connect a battery or the power adapter, always there will be 11.1 volts or 19 volts will be flowing to the display connector. So if you try to replace the display without removing the battery or the power connector, there are chances that the terminals in the connector will get shorted, that is 18 volts will be shorted to the other terminals, and you may damage the motherboard. So keep in mind and remove the battery and power adapter connector before replacing the display. Now as you see, first remove this bezel here. Below there will be double side sticker applied, so gently from one side go on removing the sticker. See here. Okay. Turn upside down, and here in between go on unlocking it. Here. If one side comes out, it is easy for yours to remove here in this way. This is the bezel. See that you do not break these two ends. Be careful with that. Now remove these 4 screws, 1, 2, 3 and 4. After removing the 4 screws, put it gently, slowly here. This is the screen. Here you can see this is the connector we need to remove. I'll zoom and show it to you. This is the connector here. For that we need to remove the sticker. Gently remove the sticker. Few screens will come with a lock here. You need to unlock that and then pull the connector back. Here in this case there is no lock, so just pull the connector back side gently in this way. This is the connector. You can see here how close the terminals are. So if you keep the battery connected, you will damage the motherboard. Take your new screen, connect the display connector back here, display cable in this way, insert it properly, see that you do not damage any pins, insert it and gently push it inside. Yes. I'll show it to you once again. Here you can see the connector. For removing it, just push it back or pull it by this cable gently. The sticker, pull it gently in this way. Here comes the connector, and while inserting it back, push it here in this way. This way. Here, see, it should lock in this way. Yes. Now pull the connector, the sticker, stick it back on the new screen. After fixing the connector, mount your new screen in this way. Settle the cable in the groove. Fasten all the 4 screws which hold the screen. This is the new display panel. See these 4 points. Take your front bezel. Insert these 2 covers here first. This way. Hold it. Just one pressing it to lock it. Don't press it in this way. Hold one hand at the back side. Hold one hand back side and press it with the other hand. If you just press it with one hand, then there are chances that you will break the display again. Fasten these 2 screws and cover the sticker back. Hope this video was useful for you. If this video was useful and it has helped you to replace your screen, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Place the stickers in this way. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.